Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee and I am going to Korea again today. Korean food में one food has taken the world by storm. It's so popular. I'm making kimchi. So let's do it. Kimchi के लिए particular cabbage चाहिए. इसको बोलते हैं Napa cabbage. इससे kimchi बनता है. I don't know whether you can use your regular cabbage, but better to use this one. First, I'll cut it into half vertically like this, then cut into quarters. इसको ऐसे मीडियम साइज का कट लेंगे. कई लोग किमची को फुल कट नहीं करके उसको हाफ ऐसे अक्खा रखते हैं और उसके अंदर मसाला भरते हैं. I have done this because I want the masalas to properly get inside the crevices of the cabbage. Now I'm going to salt this very well, mix it up and put like a heavy weight on top of it and let the salt drain. Then I'm going to wash this in fresh water and use the kimchi. So my Napa cabbage is ready. अभी इसका सॉस बना लेते हैं. जो सॉस कैबेज के ऊपर अच्छा से जाएगा तभी जाके वो अचार बनेगा. What I have done here is I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour and boiled it in a cup of water. So it has become a rice flour slurry. So I'm going to add some of it here. In this goes the special Gochujang paste, which is the Korean chili paste which is fermented. आपको ये Amazon में easily मिलेगा. इसमें जाएगा थोड़ा grated ginger, some garlic paste, some garlic chives जो लहसुन का हरा हिस्सा होता है वो, some spring onion greens and whites. Then this is a very special Korean ingredient. Gochugaru is again like chili flakes. If you don't have, you can use chili flakes, but it's not the same. You can easily buy it from Amazon. The link will be in the description box. Some soy sauce, some sugar, and give it a good mix. Finally, some vinegar, which will act as a preservative too. So last but not the least, some julienned radish. And the final touch, some sea salt. So this paste is now absolutely ready. So this paste goes into the cabbage and it's time to make your hands dirty. Mix it up very well. Now this, like any other pickle, will need some fermentation time. So you can store this in a glass bottle and keep it in your fridge. It will last you for more than 6 months. Nothing will happen. ये किमची हो गया अच्छी तरह से मिक्स. ये मसाले के साथ मिक्स होने के बाद क्वांटिटी भी थोड़ा कम हो गया. But it will be more fermented and it will reduce and the cabbage will catch all the spices inside. This jar will be fermented now in my refrigerator for as many months. 3-4 दिन के बाद ये बिल्कुल रेडी हो जाएगा खाने के लिए. और मैं पहले से जो मेरा फ्रिज में था वो किमची ऐसे दिखता है. As I always say that food transcends all boundaries, geographic boundaries. सबका खाने का जो तरीका है कुछ सिमिलर है. इंडिया में जैसे हम पिकल्स लेते हैं, कुछ फर्मेंट करते हैं, पिकल में मसाला लगाते हैं, सन ड्राई करते हैं, नहीं तो इंस्टेंट पिकल भी बनाते हैं. ये भी कुछ उस तरह का ही है. This is used as a condiment with the meal or sometimes people make a meal out of this. आप कैसे किमची खाते हो ज़रूर बताना मुझे. This is that ever popular Korean dish which is popular now world over. Do try this recipe at home and let me know. Share, like and subscribe.